Just entering into this 3+3 Jodi. Just entering into large living area. This is in 25 South. Yeah. The view. Now, right from the first floor, you see we are actually very close to the sea, and hence you can. The proximity is very close. Plus, you can hear the waves, and then this is, and then you have this in right below you. I mean, and the good part is that even this, even this is, you're quite at a distance. I mean, at a height, I must say, from the ground. So you won't really feel that it's like disturbing, but it just adds to the view. This whole area, it's beautiful with these trees almost coming up half the way. And the sea is very close. So this is your view for the 3 Jodi 3+3. Again, you're living, and because the living gets combined, it becomes this large living area. I think this is the bare shell. So this is actually one bedroom which they've knocked out, and then this is your master room. So there are 2 beds, but now this is also knocked out. So you have 1 bedroom here, and with the bathroom, and this is your view from the bedroom. This has become your service area, toilet, servant toilet, your kitchen. This is your kitchen. Similarly, they've knocked out this wall, so this is your this side wala first bedroom, and then they've combined these 2 bedrooms. Actually, not combined. So this is 1 bed, and this is the other bed. So this is how the 3-bed layout is. Right? So you have the living area, then you have 1, 2, and then you have the 3rd, which is here. Which, if you see that these are the brick layouts for the 3rd bed, which has a bathroom further ahead. So this is how the 3 beds are. Here it is like how it is. There they've knocked out and made just 1 room, which makes sense if you have this large area to play with. This is this bedroom. Yeah, in the experience, it's very nice. Even if this is a lower floor. We'll mention the floor number when we talk, but I mean, but you're right above the podium. It looks very nice. This curve, the green, the trees, the pool, and it's all hidden, and your privacy is intact.